Ricoh 230DNW. The printer with more mood swings than your girlfriend. Have you ever been in a printing emergency, only for your printer to go on strike at the worst possible moment? Meet the Ricoh 230DNW, a smart, durable printer, but also one with a bit of an attitude. Key features: fast printing, wireless connectivity, and high-quality output. But sometimes it decides to act up, showing drum errors, claiming there's a paper jam when there isn't a single sheet stuck. Your journey with Ricoh 230DNW Day 1. You're excited. It prints fast and the text is sharp like freshly printed money. A few months later, the dreaded replace drum message appears. You panic, frantically Google, what is a drum unit? The day you replace the drum. Successfully, you feel like a certified technician, proud and ready to handle any future printer drama. But don't worry. With this step-by-step guide, you'll never fear a drum replacement again. Get your printer back in action in no time. Hit play and become a printer repair expert today. Blast off.